Willkommen in Luzern. So, ayan na, mga cafes. Harang na sila.
Para may pagka-ano, no? May pagka-Amsterdam tong itsura mo.
Oh, eto. This one is
Yeah.
river. This one is Royce River. Tapos doon sa kabila is lake.
Ah,
So,
okay.
mag-init siya.
Nice.
So, pag maganda yung weather, maganda yung color niyan. Kasi nga, umulan eh. Maging
Nandito kami sa parang restaurant dito sa may, Limavald. And we're gonna try some, hot chocolate and
local.
local food.
Probably, yeah. Local food.
Sarap. Sobrang relaxing. Sobrang parang, sarap huminga. No?
Fresh air.
Fresh
Less
air.
tourists.
Tapos walang noise na mga, ang bilang maingay. Sarap.
Yeah.
This is life nga. Ito yung life na, gusto ko.
Yeah. It doesn't need to be expensive.
Mm. Wow. Ganda? Well, parang sarap tumalon sa water. Nurse Anne, gaano ka nakatagal dito sa Switzerland? Ay, wait.
There you go. Yeah.
Yes.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2023.
2.5 years ka pa lang pala.
Yeah, bago pa lang.
Oo.
Because I was in Germany 8 years. Tapos 2023, we moved here.
Dito
Italy.
dito na agad sa Luzerne. Ang
No,
ganda, oh.
sa araw pa. To take pictures left one.
So pretty.
Not here. Look, that's the history of that.
Ano yan, Anne? The bridge.
Old bridge. Pinaka-old siya here in Switzerland. Before it was tawag ito prison. Before it was a
Which
prison.
one? This one?
This one.
The tower.
Yeah, the tower. Yan ang pinaka-prison nila before.
The Luzerne.
Something like, parang mga 18 something.
Oh.
And then this bridge, yung talaga yung ginawa nila old. Pag may mga nagbibisit dun sa prisoner for that.
Right,
Yeah.
okay.
And then once nasunog na to, itong bridge na to, nasunog siya yung kalahati. Around 90s, something. Tapos ang ginawa ng government, ni-rebuild nila ulit ng same structure, on same form. So they don't really change. So pag nakita mo, pumasok tayo doon, makita mo yung old talaga siya. So,
Yeah.
dito sa area na to, kung clear yung sky, kasi ngayon medyo cloudy, may kita nyo dito yung mountain. Yun yung Mount Pilatus.
Pilatus.
Oo, Mount Pilatus. Ayun, may kita mo. Yun kasi hindi clear eh.
Saan mo ngayon pa lang kahit ang ganda.
Sayang. Mas maganda siya kapag talagang clear, may kita mo yung mga mountain here. Tapos here, kapag Saturday, meron tong market area.
Dito?
Oo, may mga nagtitinda siya ng mga fruits, vegetables, ayan. Diyan siya.
Nice.
So, ayun.
Guys.
Oo, ayun, dito lang. Kapag ka wala off, kapag ka medyo naboboard sa bahay, yun. Pwede ka dito, lakad-lakad.
No?
Okay naman.
And it's, how far is it from, your apartment?
From my place, mga 8 minutes.
8 minutes
Train ride. One stop lang.
Nice.
Train ride.
Okay.
Lapit lang. So, close to, town.
Okay, saan tayo pumunta ngayon?
Ayan. We can go there sa lake. Para ayan, kasi di mo makikita kasi hindi clear yung, hindi clear. Oo. Ayan.
Okay.
Ito, ayan siya. Lahat sa Austin yan. Kasi dahil sa clouds, kaya hindi.
Nakapag-climb ka na ba?
Oo, dito nakapunta na ako sa taas ng Pilatus. Diyan. Pwede ka pumunta dyan, ng train. Ulit.
Don't ask it so much. So this is our, dyan na lang siya
Lunch.
upo.
Hindi, ayaw mo siya dyan.
This is our first meal namin dito guys sa Luzerne, sa Switzerland actually. Ang binayaran namin ay, wait, papakita sa inyo yung meal. So, pakita mo yung in-order mo.
It's only, spring rolls. Kasi nag-crave ako sa spring rolls.
May nakita kasi kaming Asian. So, spring rolls cost
8
8
francs.
francs, which
3
is
pieces.
3 pieces. Siguro mga 10 euro yan, no?
Yeah, 10
Mga
euros.
ganun.
Yeah.
And itong parang chicken, sesame chicken something. Ganyan, mabait lang siya. Cost 17 euros, guys. 17 francs.
Probably mga 19.
Mga ganun, 19 euros. Ang mahal po dito. Pero, hindi natin masarap.
Try it.
Mahal, pero ito naman ang view namin. Oh, bongga. The view, ito yung binabayaran mo yung view.
Yeah, the view. You pay for the view.
So, you have a stick?
Yeah, you have the steak here. Here. Or
okay.
here, the extra one. Yeah. And you put the... Yeah.
Hey, what do you
here.
call this again?
Fondue.
Just
It's
fondue.
fondue. This is Swiss traditional food. Usually, kinakain nila ito kapag winter days. Kapag malamig. Pero since kapag tourist, ayan, ina-offer din nila yan. So, ito bread. Special bread. So, iano mo lang siya. Actually, easy lang to. Ididip mo siya ganon. And then, you eat it.
That's it.
Like that. That's it. And that's a Swiss cheese. Yeah.
Nice. It smells nice. No?
Yeah. And also,
What about the potato?
also the potato you can dip in. You can cut and dip in. Yeah. So, mas masarap to siya kapag melt. Melt na melt. So, you wait. Siya. Ayan o. Medyo ano na siya. Nagme-melt
Yummy.
na. Yes. Yan o. Pag nagme-melt na siya, yan siya. So,
So, pwede na kayo.
yan ang Swiss
Okay, go.
burger.
Eat na.
Yes, you eat. I don't eat cheese.
Oh, I don't eat cheese.
I don't eat cheese.
Oh. So guys, Merci. Papunta kami ngayon sa Lauterbrunnen. Nandito kami ngayon sa bus. Bumaba kami ng train. And then, yes. Yan po sila. So nurse, and saan tayo pupunta today?
So we're going to Lauterbrunnen. So
What is ano?
ano yun
Ano
siya?
meron sa Lauterbrunnen?
72 waterfalls. One of the what do you call that? One of the most beautiful valley in Switzerland. Unfortunately, ano na siya, tourist spot.
Overcrowded
Tourist.
na.
Not really overcrowded, but
Daming tao.
marami na kasi nakakapuntang tourist. Pero ano naman, worth it pa rin naman pag nakita mo siya. Once in a lifetime, it's nice to see something like that. Kasi parang wala pa akong nakitang ganun.
Oo.
Para
Hey.
siyang painting in real life.
Really? Oh
Yeah.
my God, exciting.
Kapag nakita mo kasi yung pagbagsak ng falls niya, bumabagsak siya dun sa valley, sa town. So, yun siya. Tapos may river, and then you can walk. there.
Saan ka na nakapunta dito sa Switzerland?
Favorite area ko talaga yung Interlaken, Lauterbrunnen, Grindelwald, Lungern, yung nadaanan natin kanina, yung lake.
Super
yun.
ganda.
Super beautiful. And then sa mga top of mountain sa Titlis, for example, Mount Pilatus.
Yung malapit sa inyo?
Yeah, malapit sa amin. Grindelwald first. So mamaya punta natin yung Grindelwald. Yun, maganda rin siya.
Pero nakalibot ka na sa the whole of Switzerland?
Hindi pa lahat kasi marami pang pwedeng puntahan. Pero yung mga parang tourist area, actually nalibot ko na. Mostly.
And do you like to travel ba? Outside of like, mahilig ka mag-travel in Switzerland and outside of Switzerland?
Yes, oo. Yun yung parang pinaka ko, guilty pleasure.
I think yun yung one of the yung perks ng nakatira dito sa Switzerland. Kasi anywhere, pwede kang madali lang pumunta. By train.
By train. Kasi Switzerland nasa central of Europe. So, may mga train connection going to Milan, going to Paris, ganyan. Tapos going to Austria, going to Germany. So, accessible siya. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-plane.
Ano yung pinakamagandang nakita mo na? Ano yung favorite mo?
Here sa Switzerland?
Anywhere. Sa lahat ng mga napuntahan.
Anywhere, pinaka-favorite ko, siguro sa Palawan, sa Pilipinas.
Ang layo ng mo
Oo, siguro isa sa San Vicente. San Vicente, Palawan.
Seryoso?
Ano siya, remote island. Mahilig ako sa mga remote island. Pero dito Switzerland, favorite ko rin yung Wengen, ayun, mga mountain area, mga countryside. Tapos yung Engelberg, sa mga favorite ko. Wala masyadong tao doon.
Okay. Kaya hindi ko alam,
hindi mo naririnig. Yun yung mga hindi masyadong napupuntahan ng tourist, yun yung mga pinupuntahan na namin. Kasi parang tapos na kami dun sa mga tourist spot. Pinupuntahan na namin yung mga countryside area.
Yung mga tahimik.
Yung mga tahimik, oo. Tapos yung mga hindi masyadong nare-reach ng iba. So yun yung pinupuntahan. Actually sobrang dami. Sobrang daming magagandang puntahan dito sa Switzerland.
Kung may tips ka na sa mga magta-travel sa Switzerland for like a holiday, may mabibigay ka ba? May mabibigay ka, mga tips.
Mga tips?
Sa magta-travel lang.
Kapag magta-travel kayo, your ticket. Para sa inyo. Hindi, get your travel Swiss pass. Kapag mag-i-stay kayo ng mga more than 3 days Switzerland. Kasi mas cheaper yon than
yung Swiss pass.
Swiss pass, mas cheaper yon. Tapos, syempre, para mas makatipid kayo sa mga attractions, may mga discount din yon kapag travel Swiss pass. So, yun yung isa sa mga tips ko. Tapos, kahit summer, magdala kayo ng mga parang jacket, mga raincoat or something. Kasi hindi mo ma-expect yung weather, lalo sa mga mountain, ganito. Minsan nag-iiba yung...
Umuulan-ulan.
Oo, nag-iiba yung weather.
And then waterproof shoes.
Waterproof shoes, ganyan. Proper gear, yan. Camera.
Power
bank. Kalimutan. Yun.
And snacks.
Snacks, yun. Pwede kayo bumili ng snacks sa mga co-op, Migros, yan, sa mga grocery stores.
Akala ko ito na yun.
Ang layo pa natin. Ayun po, lalakad pa tayo.
Oh my gosh. Malayo pa pala.
This is the entry point.
Wait lang. Maganda kasi wait lang. Come here. Wait lang.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me. And honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in
Did
the
you
better
like it?
days.
Diba? This is life. Diba? You just have to enjoy it.